Stop scrolling. Did you know that 90% of the power tools you use today will be obsolete by next year? In 2026, the next level tool is moving faster than ever. Today, we're diving into the 20 new tools on the market that are actually changing the game. We've uncovered wrench kits, unique Torque screwdrivers, and bushing starter kits that haven't even hit the mainstream yet. Whether you're a DIYer looking for the best tools, these are the top trending tools you've never seen before. Let's get into it. Tackle tough jobs without scratching surfaces. The Duratech strap wrench features a 12-inch aluminum alloy I-beam handle and a durable woven polyester strap with an anti-skid pattern design. It grips almost anything firmly, making it perfect for tightening or loosening pipes, oil filters, and fittings. Lightweight yet strong, the handle provides comfortable weight distribution, while the adjustable nylon strap adapts to various diameters. It's compact, structure works well in narrow spaces, and the hanging hole adds convenient storage. Ideal for automotive, plumbing, and household tasks, it protects surfaces while delivering reliable leverage. Simplify plumbing tasks with the Holdly Angle Stop Wrench Kit. This professional adjustable wrench is designed to install new compression angle stops and remove compression rings effortlessly, even in tight spaces. Compatible with 3/8" and 1/2" MPT compression outlet threads, it adapts to a range of plumbing tasks. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The dual-action mechanism and ergonomic design deliver a secure grip and superior torque. Compact and convenient, this silver toolkit is an essential addition to any plumber's toolbox. Tackle tough bolts with the Maxpower drive breaker bar. This 1/2" driver breaker bar comes with a 125mm extension, bar and a 3-piece socket set, perfect for medium duty and precision work. Its pivotable joint design swivels 270 degrees, allowing access in tight or awkward spaces. The 1/2" drive delivers up to 512 Nm of torque, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, and home workshops. Crafted from forged, hardened chrome vanadium steel, it's durable and reliable. The spring-loaded ball bearing secures sockets, while the contoured handle ensures a comfortable professional grip. Struggling with stubborn nuts and bolts? The Magic Wrench is here to help. This Korean-made multifunction adjustable auto-ratcheting tool works as a reversible ratchet, pop socket, pipe monkey spanner, and crescent nut gear wrench set for craftsmen and plumbers. Its self-adjusting double heads automatically adapt to tighten or loosen nuts, bolts, and pipe fittings of all sizes, even rusted or stripped ones, with one-handed operation. Lightweight and portable in a protective plastic pouch, the Magic Wrench replaces multiple tools, saves time, prevents damage, and makes any project faster and easier. Replacing pins and bushings doesn't have to be slow or risky. The Tiger Tool Pin and Bushing Starter Kit offers the right way to get the job done efficiently. With over 20 tons of pulling power, it tackles even the most seized pins and bushings while the suspension stays on the vehicle. Its versatile adapters handle rubber-isolated and threaded pins, reducing shop time by up to 70%. Built from high-grade North American steel, it ensures strength, durability, and safer, faster repairs. Tightening screws precisely can be frustrating without the right tool. The Fanwiike Ratchet torque screwdriver solves this with a 3.5 to 70.8 inch-pounds range and 1/4 inch drive, giving accurate control every time. Its upgraded ratchet lets you fasten without full rotations, ideal for tight spaces. The digital display shows torque instantly, with 6 preset modes and storage for 500 records. Audible buzzers and LED indicators prevent over or under tightening. Perfect for electronics, bicycles, automotive work, gunsmithing, and machinery, it ensures components stay secure while speeding up assembly and repair tasks. Precision meets portability. The Prestacycle TorqRatchet Pro Wallet Kit combines a 2 to 10 Nm torque wrench and reversible ratchet in one slim, powerful design. Perfect for cyclists, the red handle functions as a robust ratchet, while the black knob provides precise torque control for delicate components like carbon frames. Its 300% larger torque readout ensures accurate adjustments, and 12 premium hardened bits cover nearly every bolt on your bike. Packaged in a wallet-style case with card and cash storage, this 60 Nm rated kit is ready for on-trail repairs or at-home maintenance. Make copper connections fast and precise. The iCrimp copper press tool is a heavy-duty, trade-grade manual crimping solution designed for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch Viega Pro Press copper fittings. Compatible with Viega Pro Press, Apollo Press, Elkhart, and Connex copper tubing, it features interchangeable jaws and a 360-degree rotatable head for easy access in tight spaces. Forged for accuracy, the tool presses fittings without scratches, while extendable handles provide leverage for up to 1 inch copper. Shock and water resistant, it's perfect for HVAC, refrigerant, and copper pipe installations in any environment. Tackle tight spaces with ease. The Libraton Swivel Socket Set is an essential tool for mechanics and DIYers, featuring a 3-piece impact-grade universal joint set in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. Crafted from premium chromium molybdenum steel with a corrosion-resistant black phosphate finish, each swivel socket offers full 360-degree motion for accessing hard-to-reach angles. The ball spring detent design keeps sockets secure, preventing drops during use. Compatible with cordless, electric, and pneumatic impact wrenches, this durable set delivers reliable performance for automotive repair, machinery maintenance, and other precision fastening tasks. Get the job done faster and safer. The Toolant square drive bit set is built for impact drivers and heavy-duty screw driving, featuring S2 steel bodies, CNC machined tips, and hardened cores for maximum strength and durability. Each bit includes torsion zones to prevent breakage, with manganese phosphate coating to resist rust. Magnetic Robertson tips make one-handed operation easy, while color-coded sizes speed up work. This 11-piece set, with 1 inch, 2 inch, and 6 inch lengths in a portable case with a carabiner, is ideal for home repair, construction, carpentry, electrical work, and automotive projects. Never struggle with stripped bolts again. The Xewea Deep Bolt Extractor Set is a 16-piece impact bolt and nut remover kit designed for removing broken, damaged, frozen, rusted, or rounded-off bolts, nuts, and studs. Made from high-hardness chromium molybdenum steel, these durable extractors handle tough jobs with ease. The 2.6-inch deep well design reaches narrow spaces and deep holes, perfect for spark plugs or tight engine bays. Compatible with 3/8 inch square drivers and hex adapters, this set works with hand, air, or power tools, and comes with a convenient toolbox for storage and transport. Reach every corner of your windows with ease. The Ctime window washing kit is a professional 3-in-1 tool designed for high, outdoor, glass, and bathroom surfaces. Its 11-inch flexible head rotates 180 degrees to clean without blind spots, while the durable squeegee strip removes stubborn dirt. 5 stainless steel extension poles extend up to 80 inches for safe high window access. The kit includes 5 reusable microfiber cloths for streak-free cleaning on glass, mirrors, and tiles. Lightweight, adjustable, and versatile, it makes indoor and outdoor window washing effortless. Stay cool and protected under the sun. The ProMade X1 Hard Hat Sunshade is a premium neck shield designed for construction workers and outdoor professionals. It easily attaches to full and standard brim safety helmets, blocking harmful UV rays while allowing airflow to keep you comfortable. Equipped with secure hook and loop fasteners, it stays in place, and the built-in sweat towel lets you quickly wipe away moisture. Adjustable for a perfect fit, this sunshade provides portable, practical protection for long hours on the job site. Stay safe and comfortable on the job. The Gusayex steel toe boots are puncture-resistant safety work boots designed for industrial environments, featuring a European standard steel toe cap to protect against impact and compression hazards. The built-in Kevlar midsole shields your feet from nails and sharp debris, while the lightweight mixed material upper allows flexibility and ease of movement. Wear-resistant rubber outsoles provide dependable traction across floors and work surfaces. Perfect for construction, warehouse, factory, and mechanic work, these protective shoes combine durability, safety, and comfort for demanding tasks. Make gardening effortless and efficient. The Saka Electric Garden Tiller Cultivator is a lightweight rototiller designed for soil preparation, weeding, and general gardening. With a 9-inch tilling width and 6.3-inch depth, it powers through soil with 4 durable steel tines. Cordless and battery-operated, it allows full mobility in small gardens, backyards, and tight spaces. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce fatigue, while dual safety protection prevents accidental starts. Rechargeable and easy to handle, this tiller makes cultivating, aerating, and maintaining your garden simple and safe. Get precise, professional results with ease. The ValueMax Caulk Gun is a 9-inch silicone sealant tool designed for caulking, filling, and sealing tiles, window joints, and other gaps. Its updated design features a 360-degree rotatable barrel, built-in spout cutter, and seal puncture pin for effortless operation. The rubber-covered trigger and smooth iron rod reduce hand fatigue while providing excellent control. With an 8:1 thrust ratio and rust-resistant galvanized body, this caulking gun ensures durability and clean application for all your home improvement, construction, and repair projects. Tackle any small fastening task effortlessly. The Geinxurn mini ratchet and bit driver set is a 4-piece kit featuring a 1/4-inch drive ratchet handle wrench, a 72-tooth quick-release reversible socket wrench, and an impact extension. Bit holder, all neatly packed in a case. Made from durable CRV and S2 steel, it delivers reliable strength. The tooth mechanism allows a 5-degree swing arc for precise tightening or loosening, while the reversible design adds versatility. Compact and lightweight, this set is perfect for tight spaces, electronics, automotive work, and general household repairs. Get into tight spots with ease. The Duratech Offset Box Wrench Set is a 9-piece metric kit ranging from 6 to 23 millimeters, crafted from heat-treated chromium vanadium steel with a polished, corrosion-resistant finish. Its double 12-point box ends and 75 degrees offset handles provide excellent access to hard-to-reach fasteners. Each wrench has dual sizes stamped for quick identification, while the rolling pouch keeps the set organized and portable. Ideal for automotive, machinery, and general repairs, this professional-grade set combines durability, precision, and convenience, making it essential for anyone working in confined or tricky spaces. Simplify your electrical work with precision. The Faitio foldable wire stripper Crimper is an 18-in-1 multifunctional tool designed for stripping, cutting, trimming, crimping, twisting, and splitting wires. It has multiple stripping holes, 0.08mm to 1.6mm, that handle various wire sizes, while the high-hardness cutting blade ensures clean, accurate cuts. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel and stainless steel, it resists wear and corrosion. The foldable design makes it compact and portable, and the anti-slip handles protect your hands. Ideal for electricians, DIY-ers, and hobbyists, it's a complete solution for efficient wire and cable work. Get precise measurements every time. The NACO Digital Caliper Measuring Tool offers a 0 to 6-inch range with stainless steel construction for durability and accuracy. Its large LCD screen and quick change button allows seamless conversion between inches, millimeters, and fractions. This versatile tool measures outside diameter, inside diameter, depth, and step, using dual jaws and a probe for complete functionality. The knurled thumb roller and locking screw ensure smooth, accurate positioning. Compact and portable in a protective case, it's ideal for metalwork, woodworking, DIY projects, and professional precision measurements. Mind blown yet? Most of these new tools are still in early access, so grab them before they go viral. If you want my exclusive 2026 productivity stack list, check the link in the description. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a tool trend update. Which of these hidden gems was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. For more on the best tools of 2026, watch this next video right here. See you in the next one.